Hi, this is Nutan from CS Department, BTech 2, with the registration number UR15CS225. Now, we are going to design a program in C++ which accepts amount as integer and display total number of notes of rupees 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 and 1. For example, consider 575 as the input, then the result would be like this: 500s are 1, 100 rupee notes are 0, 50s 1, 20s 1, 10s 0, 5 rupee notes are 1, 1s are 0. For this, the program is as follows. First, this program can be executed in many ways, that is using while loop or do while, and without using if, or with if, and there are many ways. And I choose by using if statement, that is if n is greater than 0, that is amount is greater than 0, then the result would be as follows, and the execution will start here. And here the various variables have been declared with the same data type, that is integer data type. All the variables are of integers. Now if n is greater than 0, that is given amount n is greater than 0, then we can calculate 500s, number of 500 rupee notes as follows, that is FH, that is 500 rupee notes equals to n by 500. Here I use the arithmetic operators such as division and modulo division. Only division and modulo division are the arithmetic operators used here, and equals to is an assignment operator, whereas comma and every other comma, semicolon are the operators. Without these operators we cannot execute the program. This is 500 rupee notes equals to n divided by 500. This gives number of 500 rupee notes because n divided by 100 gives the quotient, that is number of 500 rupee notes. That is if consider n as 876 divided by 100 gives 1 point something. 1 point something is a float, but it considers only 1 because 1 is the integer and it stores in FH, that is 500 rupee notes. Therefore 500 rupee notes equals to n by 500. And to calculate the remaining amount, we used here modulo division operator, that is a equals to 500 percentage, that is if n is 500 percentage 500, there will be no remaining amount. If we consider n as the other amount, that is such as 786 percentage 500, the remaining amount will be 386. So to calculate the remaining amount, I used this modulo division operator. After calculating the remaining amount, now I can calculate 100 rupee notes equals to a by, that is remaining amount by 100. Then we get number of 100 rupee notes. After getting 100 rupee notes, I need to calculate the remaining amount. The same logic used in the above statement is used here, that is b equals to a percentage of 100. This gives the number of remaining amount after calculating 100 rupee notes. Therefore from the remaining amount we can calculate 50 rupee notes, that is remaining amount b by 50 gives the number of 50 rupee notes. After calculating the 50 rupee notes, we need to calculate the remaining amount, that is c equals to b percentage of 50. This gives the remaining amount. This remaining amount should be divided by 20 to get 20 rupee notes. And the same logic is followed for the remaining 10 rupee notes, 5 rupee notes and 1 rupee note. This logic is totally with only two operators, that is divided by and modulo division operator. These are used for my simplicity and many operators are not used in this program. And for my output, I used these cache details and end line is to get the output in the next line, that is 500 rupee notes or 100 rupee notes and totally finally up to 1 rupee notes, and then the result will be returned here. Now we shall execute the program to see the output. I am entering the amount as 678 and the result will be as follows. 500 rupee notes are 1, 100 rupee notes are 1, 50 rupee notes are 1, 20 rupees are 1, 10 rupee notes are 0, 5 rupee notes are 1 and 1 rupee notes are 3. Now if we enter the amount less than 500, the result would be as follows, 87. Then there will be no 500 rupee notes, 100 rupee notes, but 50 rupee notes are 1, 20 rupees 1, 10 rupee notes are 1, 5 rupee notes are 1 and 1 rupee note will be 2. And if we enter the amount that is less than 0, if n is greater than 0, this total loop will be executed. If n is less than 0, then what will happen we shall see. That is minus 987. No result will be displayed because only if n is greater than 0 it gives the values, if not it returns nothing. So this is the program to calculate number of 500 rupee notes, 100 rupee, 50, 20, 10, 5, 1 rupee notes when the amount is inputted to the program. Thank you.